Strut Tamer Elite by OTC is designed like no other spring compressor tool on the market today. It is the fastest and easiest way to do strut maintenance, and speed means money. The Strut Tamer Elite's unique design starts with an ergonomically positioned 3-bar handle on the top. This allows for maximum leverage to be applied with minimal effort to compress the springs. The position of the 3-bar handle is in just the right spot for a 6-foot person to apply maximum torque. This allows for quick and easy compression of the strut spring. The open designed angle of the 3-handle compression bar allows for more clearance. You can get an impact wrench in to work on the nut on the top of the strut if needed. The competition's design has the compressor's handle above the head of the average person. This design may result in more slippage when compressing the spring. More effort needs to be applied due to its overhead location. The Strut Tamer Elite will compress the spring in as much as 50% less time. The 4 locking jaws of the Strut Tamer Elite securely hold a variety of different sized springs in position. Easy lock and unlock rings hold the spring secure. This feature ensures the spring will not pop out during compression and is not found on brand B. The locking rings also let you securely clamp the spring and more easily load the spring into the Strut Tamer. You can put the whole weight of the strut and spring assembly on the jaws and not have to hold it in position while you load the Strut Tamer Elite. The Strut Tamer Elite's 4 independent adjustable arms incorporate spherical bearings that help the arms slide in and out to accommodate 2.5 to 10-inch diameter springs. It will also accommodate springs with heights of 2.5-inch to 24-inch vertical stroke range. The position arms also can move 4 different directions, which allows easy positioning of the spring strut assembly and more uniform compression of the spring. The 4 independent arms allow you to bring the spring into the Strut Tamer Elite from the top, front, or the bottom. This design gives you easy access while you position the strut in the machine. The trunnion design of the Strut Tamer Elite allows you to move the arms independently to get the spring aligned quicker and easier. These trunnions rock back and forth to accommodate virtually any strut helix angle. The double lead screw helps to quickly compress most struts on the market today. Locking jaws, quick lock and unlock rings, and 4 independent arms and the 3-bar compression handle work in tandem to allow you to load quicker, compress quicker, and service the strut quicker. Time is money in the automotive repair business, and the Strut Tamer Elite is designed to save you time and money. The Strut Tamer Elite has 2 different configurations. 1, wall or pole mounted, which can be permanently mounted to a solid wall or metal post in the shop. 2, the 2-handled stand mount allows the Strut Tamer Elite to be moved around in the aisle between vehicles. The unit is rugged enough to compress even the strongest springs, yet it is compact enough to be maneuvered in between vehicles. This is a feature not found on the competition's models, but can be a real time saver when doing strut replacement and maintenance. Materials used in the Strut Tamer Elite are high quality, finely machined, high tensile strength, heat-treated metal. These quality materials, combined with superior design and engineering by OTC, ensures that your Strut Tamer Elite will last a long time and give you many years of dependable service. Accessories include a small tray that goes on top of the stand that helps you keep track of lug nuts and other tools you need at your fingertips. A fully modifiable accessory bridge sits over the top of the strut to help you compress smaller springs and work on special application springs. The accessory bridge is a feature that allows you to do more types of strut maintenance without having to jury-rig a special spacer. With the Strut Tamer Elite, you are able to do several operations in one compression of the spring. Clamp the spring, compress the spring, remove the strut nut, and service the strut or the strut's top bearing. This flexibility will save you between 20 and 30 minutes on a full strut service versus the competition's device. There is no need to compress and decompress springs to perform different operations. Finally, the Strut Tamer Elite can be shipped via UPS. This is a nice savings in freight costs over competitive models which are bigger and more cumbersome and may need to be shipped less than truckload standard freight. To get more information about the Strut Tamer Elite or to place an order, visit our website to find the distributor nearest you. The Strut Tamer Elite by OTC. Saving time is in the design. Introducing a new strut tamer to handle heavy-duty strut springs. You're a professional technician, so what do you do when you get an SUV or truck strut job? OTC has responded with a new Strut Tamer Elite Heavy Duty. This one tool does them all. The Strut Tamer HD is still easy to transport with the aid of the optional stand. The built-in pads make placing the unit where you want it safe and easy. The Strut Tamer HD comes with a bridge assembly to help you compress springs that cannot be compressed enough to remove the retaining nuts. The open-ended design means you can get the strut in and out with ease. 4-point locking jaws securely hold the spring in place. The arms adjust in and out, up and down, to accommodate a variety of springs from 2.5-inch to 10-inch diameter and 2.5-inch to 24-inch vertical stroke springs. The thicker arms of the Strut Tamer HD work in tandem with the 4-point locking jaws to securely hold the larger springs in place. We've designed a center screw that floats from side to side to keep the strut and spring aligned no matter what condition the spring is in. The Strut Tamer Elite HD also features an extra-long 3-bar handle crank that provides the needed leverage to compress heavy-duty springs faster and easier. OTC Strut Tamer HD is simply the most effective compressor for handling virtually any straight, conical, or offset spring. The Strut Tamer Elite HD can be wall-mounted just like the Strut Tamer Elite, or you can use the optional stand to move it wherever you want it in your shop. The Strut Tamer Elite Heavy Duty by OTC, simply the fastest, easiest, and safest way to work on struts and springs for SUVs and light trucks. Expand your shop's capabilities and increase your bottom line profits with a Strut Tamer HD. The Strut Tamer Elite Heavy Duty by OTC. Get one for your shop today.